Hello everyone, today let's create a beautiful Radha Krishna wall decor using only cardboard. First take a cardboard sheet. I have cut this sheet into two different shapes, 2 rectangular pieces and 4 square pieces. As you can see in the video, I am sticking the same shapes together to make them thicker. I am actually using this as a base stand for my DIY project. To stick these cardboard pieces, I am using Fevicol SH glue. You can use any white glue as per your preference. Alright, next using masking tape, I am covering the edges of the cardboard to achieve a neat finish. After that, glue the square cardboard pieces to the rectangular ones as shown in the video. Next, on a piece of cardboard, I have drawn a board shape, so cut out this shape. I have another board shape of the same size, so I am pasting these two pieces together. I am doing this to make the board shape thicker. Next, cover the edges of the cardboard board using the masking tape. Moving on, I have a disposable pen with me. Its ink is finished and I am supposed to throw it away. But wait, I can reuse it, so I am using this pen as a support stick. When I tried to place the pen, I found that one pen was taller than the other, even though they were the same model. So I changed the pen to two of the same length. As you can see in the video, the color of the pen has changed. To fix the pen in place, I made a tiny hole in the cardboard base we made earlier. To attach the pen, I am using Fevibond. I applied Fevibond to the cardboard hole and also to the end of the pen. Wait for some time until the glue dries and then attach the pen. After attaching, keep it aside for a few minutes. Next, I have drawn Radha and Krishna sketches, which you can see in the video. But I have not drawn one hand of each picture. I have planned to make the hands using separate cutouts and then I am going to paste them all together. So let's cut out the drawn figures. Next, I am drawing the picture of a peacock and I have also drawn the other hand and the flute. All the cutouts are ready. Let's paste them in their respective places as I am showing in the video. To stick these, I am using Fevibond. Moving on to the base, the pen is attached and now let's cover the pen using masking tape. Follow the video demonstration. I am painting the whole base using black acrylic color. Now, using air dry clay, I am adding additional details like eyebrows, nose and also making the jewelry and details on the dress. Next, moving on to the board shape, I am applying a base coat of gesso, but this step is optional. You can skip it if you prefer. I have a soft clay with me, so I am trying to give details to the board using this soft clay. You can use any clay of your choice, it's not compulsory to use soft clay. Anything like homemade clay or 3D liner can be used. Whatever is available, you can use to create details for the board. I love this soft clay because it's very easy to make rolls or pipes like what you can see in the video. and it also dries quickly. Paste these shapes to the boat using Fevicol. Follow along as I do in the video. Next, moving on to the coloring part, follow the video demonstration. As always, I have added an extra touch of golden color to the picture. This always makes the DIY reach another level. To paint the boat, I have used burnt amber color. Then for the details, I am applying golden acrylic color. For the base support, I am also adding details using golden color. Now that the coloring is complete, let's glue it to the respective place. And that's it guys, the beautiful Radha Krishna showpiece is now ready. It's very easy to create and everything is done using only cardboard. This type of wall decor is usually very expensive, but just imagine I have done this using waste cardboard and at zero cost. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep crafting. Bye bye.